Hey guys, I'm here in Canada. It's a little chilly, but I want to show you how I'm tough by doing a snow angel in my spandex. You think it's a good idea? You told me, oh you do, good. You told me you wanted to see it on my Facebook, so now it's time to show you. Oh my god. I love Canada. It's beautiful. Gotta warm up. Wait, let's do another. Okay, that's enough. Let's go back in. Spandex is warm. Take off your shoes.
Is it nice? Big nut. That's a really funny video. Have a look at it.
Thank you.
I'll go get your towel.
Oh, it hurts.
I feel it.
Yay! Now it's tub time. Where's my rubber ducky?